Hi, I'm Don Travers with Travers and Deutschman. Today we're talking about points to consider in an agreement of purchase and sale. One of the first things that you want to come across in an agreement is chattels included in the agreement. Now, chattels are the appliances, items that aren't attached by screws or aren't plumbed in. And a chattel would be obviously fridges and stoves, dishwashers, that type of thing. Now, dishwashers could also fall in as a fixture. But those are the types of things we're talking about. And one of the problems we have is that buyers are expecting to buy the chattel that they saw when they purchased the property. Unfortunately, sometimes these things are switched. So it's very important as a buyer that you take pictures. Most people have smartphones now, and take a picture of the appliances that you're expecting to receive. Or if you don't take a picture, make notes of serial numbers, brands, etc. Because you don't want to have your beautiful Sub-Zero fridge that you thought you were getting turned into a not so Sub-Zero fridge of a lesser quality. And this applies to basically all chattels. Now, the one thing that you want to be careful about, of course, is to make sure that you go over this list very carefully so all the chattels, all the appliances that are listed there are actually on the site. The other thing that you want to be concerned with chattels is you want to make sure that you're getting the attachments. Too often we have people and they're supposed to get the vacuum system, the built-in vac. But the problem is, if they don't provide or specify for the attachments, they don't get the beater head, etc., which is basically the key component of the built-in vacuum system. So you want to attach that. And it's also with satellite dishes. Satellite dishes can be fixtures, but without the relative attachments, the dish is useless. And that's something else we see often where you get the satellite dish, but there's no specification for the attachments, and you don't get the rest of the equipment that makes the satellite dish work. So those are things that you always want to be careful of. Make sure that you review that list very carefully with your realtor, or if you don't have a realtor, review it very carefully with the seller to make sure that you're buying exactly what you intended to buy.